Hey, Lucas here in Paul's Valley at the Toy and Action Figure Museum. This is heaven on earth. Let's go check out some toys.
The Toy and Action Figure Museum got its start as a community project. Citizens got together and decided some things that they wanted in the town. I joked with them and said, well, my toy collection was the unofficial tourist attraction. I was kidding around, they took me serious. So in 2005 we opened, and we now have over 13,000 action figures in the collection. This is the adult collector's bedroom diorama. This is the centerpiece of the museum. So this depicts what an adult collector's bedroom would look like if all the toys went wild. I have hand-placed every toy.
Every single one of these.
Every toy in this museum. Everywhere you look in the museum, you'll see toys. These are cartoonists who have worked professionally in the field of comics. They have an Oklahoma connection. A lot of people don't realize a lot of famous cartoonists have come from Oklahoma. This section talks about Kyle Wendricks, who is actually from Purcell, Oklahoma originally, and he is a sculptor. So whereas I am a designer and work on paper and the computer, he does the actual clay sculpting of the figures. This is the original 1959 Barbie. You're either a Beatles fan or a Stones fan.
Right.
Well, you're either a Marvel fan or a DC fan. This is our outer space section. Lots of Star Trek, lots of Star Wars. This is the meat from Rocky. Yeah, where, you know, he was working out in the meat packer plant, and I asked my wife, I said, why would anybody make this as a toy? I said, who buys this? And she says, well, you bought it.
I'm guessing these have been cleaned.
They've never been worn.
Oh, even better.
This is one of my favorite lines of all time. I just love the Simpsons line. They did over 300 characters. It's very creative. The characters are well written. They all have a background. They have, you know, certain personalities. I mean, you just see it. You just feel it.
Well, Star Wars has gone through many incarnations and continues to.
Yes. We have stuff from 1977 to today. The ones on the left there are actually original.
Do you have a favorite toy, a favorite character? Out of all of this, are you able to hone it down to one?
Yeah, my favorite character is Batman. So Batman gets his own room because he has lots of toys. Batman's a very durable character, and if you'll notice, they've been able to change his costume a lot over the years, and it still works. Yeah. Not so with Superman. Why is that? This Batmobile right here, I got when I was probably 9 or 10 years old. And people are always asking me, is there a toy that you don't have that you wish you had? A drivable 1966 Batmobile. Okay, that's what I want. I say Batman is my favorite character to collect, but Batmobiles are my absolute favorite thing. I may pass up an action figure, I won't never pass up a Batmobile. If there's a Batmobile and I don't have it, I'm getting it.
I've just barely scratched the surface here at the Toy and Action Figure Museum in Paul's Valley. You're going to have to come check it out for yourself. Found some great stuff in there.
My Little Pony?
Oh, I don't know how that got in there. I'm Lucas, discovering Oklahoma. Can I meet you out back and